Write and count. Let's learn how to write and count numbers. This is number 16. This is how we write number 16. Let's count and color 16 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,